Halloween parties are coming up fast. If you need an easy yet delicious snack that all the kids will love, we have just the treat that is sure to do the trick.
I see what you did there.
Yep.
A treat that will do the trick. Wink. That's how clever Kari is.
Mom jokes. It was actually written for me, so thank you, Mackenzie. Okay, so I have a 6-year-old in school, and sometimes you're bringing treats to Halloween parties,
Absolutely.
or maybe you just want to have a fun night with the kids. So it can get a little hectic, right, around school time and school night. So I thought let's do 2 ideas. So we're going to make a treat, and then I'm going to show you something that is already done that you can just add to it.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Okay, so the first one, all you need for this one, we're going to make these cute Harry Potter witch hats.
Oh, you said Harry Potter, so you know how happy I am.
I knew that this would be for you too.
I love that.
And all you need, it's so easy, Oreo,
Okay.
a chocolate kiss,
All right.
sprinkles,
Check.
and frosting. So that's all you need for this. Okay, so you're going to take your Oreo.
All right. Easy enough.
Now the hardest part of this is actually getting the frosting to stick on the top. So you want to do like I would say a glob.
All right.
We're going to use the word glob.
You don't have to be fancy.
You don't have to be fancy. Okay, you're going to do that. And also, Zerkers provided all these cute decorations.
Oh, love that.
So thanks to them they have really cute Halloween
The
stuff right now.
party people.
Party people. Okay, so you're going to take your, you went for it. I love this.
You told me to glob.
No, I
so
did.
globbed.
I did. Okay, so you're going to take your kiss and you're going to smush it down.
Okay.
So you want to make room for the frosting.
Okay.
Okay. And then you want to make room for the sprinkles. So I'm going to open these.
And I love these kisses because on the bottom they have little Harry Potter things.
They're really cute, huh?
I am over the moon about that.
Okay, and you can get, this is going to get messy. I did this with my daughter last night. Honestly, she could not care less of how they turned out, but she had so much fun just spending time and making these with me.
I love it.
And so there you go. That's all you do. Oh, it's fine. We didn't need them anyway. We were done.
I just felt the sprinkles.
We didn't need them anyway. Okay, there you go. Okay, put that there.
So if you're going to craft with your child, it's about
This
as
is
messy
an example of what will happen.
as crafting with Elora.
Yes. Okay, so if Halloween is coming up, maybe it's the next day and you're running out of time, I got these donuts at Duck Donuts. By the way, they make them fresh when you order, which is amazing. Shout out to Holly for these.
Look at these.
Now, they have their Halloween donuts, but if you had maybe if they were running out and you just had a regular looking one, what we can do is I'm going to hand you this. Ooh. You can take like the spider rings or little eyes and just decorate.
Oh, so you
it's
don't want
already
me
done.
to eat it right away.
Well, you can if you want. And then you could put like little
I love it.
vampire teeth in there. And that way you have someone else cook for you. Oh, we should do another eye with this guy. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, look at mine. He's ferocious.
There he is. And you don't have to bake or do anything. You just pick up the treat and just add some decorations to it.
But the thing is, it looks so cute. So when you take it in, everyone else is like, wow, look what you did. And you just hair toss. And you're like, I know.
You're the favorite mom of the group. So whether it's your witch hat, your donut, there you go. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Halloween treats taken care of. Thank you so much, Kari.
Yes. And coming up, get an inside look at a new docuseries that brings never-before-seen stories from the FBI to the big screen. That's next. Take a bite. Cheers.